Stampede. So I'm very excited. Let's go. Welcome to Calgary Stampede, the greatest outdoor show on earth. The first thing first, I grabbed my one-day admission ticket for $25 and stepped right inside. But here's the thing, apart from the entry ticket, we also need to buy ride, games and food tickets, which works on a point system. I bought 60 points of tickets for $50 and got this little card. Every ride, game, food is usually about 15 to 12 tickets, so roughly $15. And the best part, you can easily refill the card if you run out of points or tickets. My first stop, the famous Sky Ride. This is one of the most must-do attractions at Stampede. From up here, you get a breathtaking bird's eye view of the entire Stampede grounds. This incredible event happens every single year in the first week of July and runs for 10 whole days. It's the biggest event in Calgary and it's packed with the world-class rodeo events, concerts, live music, thrilling rides, mouth-watering food, fun games, and of course, cowboy culture. You can see all the rides, food stalls, games, and even you can catch glimpse of the live music stages. Every night, big artists perform here and thousands of people gather to watch. You can also spot the downtown Calgary skyline in the distance. The view is absolutely stunning. And trust me, at night, when all the lights come on, it's pure magic. And you can see this Niagara Fall ride, the water ride. I just loved it. I did this one specially because I just love water rides. After that, I got a live performance for about 10 minutes because it's so refreshing and full of energy. Different communities and groups were performing here of Calgary. It's amazing. Then I hopped on a couple of rides to get a adrenaline going. Honestly, the Stampede has so much to do. You could come every day for 10 days and still not to see it all. Now, so I'm moving towards my favorite part, the food. The Calgary Stampede is a food lover's dream. There are over 100 food stalls here and the variety is insane. You can literally travel the world through food. From spicy Indian curries to fresh Japanese sushi, classical American BBQ to European pastries, they have got it all. First, I tried this pickled pizza slice, and then I went for a fresh pineapple juice served right inside the pineapple itself. Cold, refreshing, perfect for a hot day. And of course, I couldn't miss famous crispy blooming onion. And then we also tried few games. My friend went for a shooting game and we both played some others too. If you win, you can get some toffee or even some massive teddy bears. It's amazing, but sadly, unluckily, we didn't win anything. And mostly games cost around 15 to 20 tickets, so it's like $15 each. We arrived in the afternoon, but with so much going on, time just flew by. Before we knew it, it was evening. And the stamping crowds like lit up so beautifully. The crowd was massive, atmosphere is electric. There was so much energy, fun, and happiness. And then the grand finale. Every single night at 10:30 p.m., they have a particular fireworks show that lasts about 10 minutes or 20 minutes. Watching the skylight up over the Stampede grounds was just magical. The perfect way to end the day. After that, it was time to head home around 11 p.m. What an unforgettable experience. If you're in Calgary in July, the Stampede is an absolutely must visit. You will leave this place with amazing memories, a full stomach, and maybe even a giant teddy bear. If you're lucky, I was not lucky this time. And yeah, thanks for watching. I hope you find this vlog informative. If you have any question about Stampede, about Calgary or Canada or anything, just comment down. Thank you so much. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.